Okay, so you're welcome to this channel. I think this episode is episode 3 of this class of how to use Photoshop. I think we learned something on the episode 2 of this class 1. I think we learned something like creating an image or creating a shape to put in something like image. Okay, I think that's very simple. Now in this episode I'm going to show you how to create this simple design here on the screen. So look at the other side of the image or the screen. I want to create this circle, put the image in front, then type in the shape and the text. So type in the text inside the shape. I think it's very simple here. Okay, so let me grab my sheet here. You know how to grab a sheet. Okay, that's how it is. Now we learned in the episode 2, we learned that you can put in the image inside the box. You can also create and cut the shape. You can also cut something like image. And I want to show you how to, if you got some ideas on that video, you can create this. I think we're not going to learn how to bring out or remove the background of the image, but I have an PNG image for you to learn something like that. Okay, so this image here, let me just grab into Photoshop. I think I have this image here. Let me just increase it. If you have some image, try to use it. I'll put this one inside the description for you to use this as assignment or whatever. So practice on it with this image. Okay, so this is the image here, and I think in this episode this is what we're going to learn here. Now let's go to the layers here. Okay, good. Now let's go back to rectangle to click on the rectangle tool, which is U. Okay, click on that, right click on that, then go to ellipse tool on the rectangle tool. Now create a circle. If you start creating it, it won't do a full circle here, but don't do that. Hold on the shift key, then create a circle. It's very simple. You can see that here. Then go to properties, change your color. I want green. If you want any color, you can change it to that. Okay, so for me I want green. Good. Now let me just go to move to. Okay, let me just good. If you want to put it at the back, go to layers, then grab under the picture or the PNG. It's very simple. You can see that here. Now I want to create this, the wealth digital welcome. I think welcome to digital wealth. I want to get that one. So let me zoom it here. So I want to zoom it here, then go to the rectangle tool, right click on it, then click on the rectangle tool, then create a shape. I want to create a shape and write inside, and it's very simple for you to do it. Okay, so let me change the color to, I want white. Okay, I want white. Then I think you can see the rectangle is under the image. So let me grab to the top of the image and it will come in front of the screen. Okay, that's it. If you don't understand something, just grab a question inside the comment section. Okay, I'll put these images inside the description for you to use on it and practice. Okay, so that's how it is. I want to write. I've already shown you how to write on the episode 2. Okay, just type in something. Let me just put it in here. Okay, so I want to write in Honesty Media. So I'm just holding the shift key for me to have a capital letter. So let me just place it here inside the box, and this is how I want to write it here. You can also write something like that. Okay, now I haven't shown you how to change font and whatever. So in the next episode I'll show you how to change font style and fonts. So for now you know how to change color, but let's grab in, and if you don't have this color, just go to properties and change the color of the text. I think if I want blue, I'll change to blue. And if you want same color of the shirt, if your text is black, just grab this colors here on the properties, then place your cursor on the shirt. If you want the color of the shirt, then click on that and click on OK. I think you have the same color here of the shirt. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching. I think this episode is just like this. Just create something idea of this. I think it's cool, right? So if you don't understand something, just grab a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.